I put this on my laptop?
You will. You will. I'll send you a video link of this. Okay. So this is called the Tinkerin Suite Ditto Pro software, and what we're gonna do is load what's called an STL, and I made a folder called animatronic eyes, and what we're doing is print the mechanics of the animatronic eyes. So there it is.
Jeez, that's fast.
You're right, with all the parts. So you can go to camera view, like I said, top view. A lot of times you have to change the scale, right? And there's different views, a model view. You can rotate the model, okay? You can scale it, but that's pretty good for our base, okay? So then what you got to do is go to the slice settings, and this is where you might want to do it. But the Ditto Pro 3D printer is DP, okay? There's two other types of printers they have, but Ditto Pro is, we have the Pro version, okay? So the resolution, this is the important part. Do you want a high or ultra high? Okay, we're doing this animatronics. We're gonna go high. It defaults to medium that I did with Lord Beaverbrook, but we're gonna go high. And this is gonna be critical for you because if you decide that your pottery piece for the Metapanogonog Center, you want high quality, you might want to do a draft first to see how the scale and then do a high. Okay, so there's a procedure there that you might want to do. That's why I went to a low Beaverbrook before I went to a big one. Okay, then infill. Infill is the percentage of how it fills, and what I'm going to do is show you. I'm going to slice this. This is what you need to do to slice right here, and it takes about maybe 2 minutes for this because it's not a big piece. If you did a full character, it could take a half an hour, right? But the algorithms for these software are getting better over the years to slice. Once it starts here, it's at 0%, but you watch. Once it starts, and it'll be pretty fast. Now, depending on your quality resolution, it's going to take longer too. So if you go high, it's going to take longer to slice.
Okay, so slicing, it's basically taking
spaghetti layers.
Yeah, it's taking that and putting in thin little.
You got it. Yeah. You got it. So now I'm already at 4%, and now watch this. I'm going to pause the video for a few minutes because Control Shift. So now we're at 63%. Now, while I'm doing this, I want to show you what the output is. When you're done, I want to show you the output of the printer. I'm recording right now, just so.
How long does it take to cool?
Oh, not at all. Like seconds. It's not bad at all. But we did a bus scan of Lower Beaverbrook, right? And anyways, it makes a dot. I'll show you where it is. It's a dot. Let me sort by name here. It's a .g file. Okay. Now I did Lord Beaverbrook yesterday. The STL or the original 3D mod was 23 megs, but when I went and exported it for the card, it's a .g. So everything that goes in that card is a .g. Everything on the MakerBot is a .2 or 3G. I forget. So it's a .g is the format that it needs in that card to copy over. Right. So on that note, let's go back to Tinker. So there's your print, and look this. This shows you the layers as it prints. Okay, which is really
so. That's a level sketch.
Yes, exactly.
Showing you the depth.
Exactly.
Okay.
Watch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now that that's done, okay, it's sliced it. You can go to the destination, and there's the 11 meg file called Mechanics G. Okay, so now I can get out of Tinkercad. I don't need this anymore, and go out to the file for this, and it's animatronic masked eyes Ditto Pro. And in here, if you look, go by date. This is the most recent file. It's 11 meg file, and that's it. You put that on that SD card. You put it in there, you set print, and you look it for the list, click on it, and away it goes. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.